Okay, so freaking welcome back YouTube, freaking sweet, yeah. Got a little bit of that stuff. Frick yeah. And I freaking grabbed these. But holy shit, is that ever a big freaking big freaking wrench. Holy shit. Let's see what the hell's the number on this bitch. Here. Looks like it's a I don't know if I can read that, I don't know if YouTube's gonna read that either. Let's see here. But there's all the freaking size of her. Right there. It's all the freaking size of it. So freaking yeah, this is the freaking biggest freaking wrench we got, I think. Sweet. I got some other ones here. I think these things are broken though, but I still took them. And then big ass freaking box of like freaking bolts and freaking shit. I got like another freaking giant wrench. This fucking thing's old fashioned, dude. I don't know if it's I can't tell if it's maybe like an IH or if it's just a regular one. I don't know. And then I freaking I grabbed this here. Freaking big pile of the more bolts and nuts and stuff. It looked like they've been used, but alright. Also freaking let's see what we got inside these boxes here. I kinda already freaking looked. I figured I would take them. Cause I figured what the hell's shit. I figured what the hell's the point of freaking wasting them, you know? Son of a bitch. So freaking yeah. I love these old-fashioned toolboxes, man. Look how they freaking just everything freaking pops right out. Just freaking like that. And the other side I won't do it here because it's all freaking jacked up. But yeah, there's some other freaking antique tools in here. I have no clue what the hell this is, but we're freaking keeping it. Frick yeah. I don't know what the hell this is. Oh, it's a high-speed drill thing. There's nothing in it, but we keep the bag so we can remember what the frick we're getting. On some other frickin' tools. I guess you tubes can't really see because my big stinking body's in the way. We all got all kinds of shit in this box. There's more stuff inside this box here, but I can't get it open all the way because the box behind it's in the damn way. Freaking sweet. So freaking yeah. So we salvaged a little bit of stuff out of here. Nice. See if we can get this big boy back closed. I don't know which way it goes. I don't know if it matters. How this freaking box goes. Son of a bitch. Let's go this way first. And then freaking yeah. No, not that way either. Son of a bitch. These crazy ass shoe boxes, I don't know how they go. But it doesn't matter, it's in here anyway. So. Oh, there we go. Freaking out. Toolbox 1, see what Toolbox 2's got. Oh, one of the locks on this one even still work. This one was a lot freaking heavier than the other one. I don't know freaking why, but there's nothing freaking even in it. But yeah, there we go. Freaking box, Toolbox 2. Spark plugs. Some miniature tools. Oh, here, sweet. Look at this. A freaking extension. Sweet. I've been looking for one of those. Sweet. I wonder if that would freaking fit on mine. Sweet. Yeah. Oh, here, look at this. Another big ass freaking wrench. Sweet, but we'll keep it in here because it's in here anyway. So we got another one down there. I don't know what this is. Just some, some metal wiring, I suppose. I don't know what the hell that was doing in there, but whatever. But yeah, they're freaking cool. But yeah. No clue what the hell this is. No freaking clue at all. This is like some kind of a freaking ass beater or what the hell, you know? It's used for something, obviously. Might be for those teeth guards. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. Kinda looks like them. There's supposed to be a knife in this. I don't know what happened to the freaking knife. Great. But yeah, that's what we freaking got in that freaking toolbox. So I guess I'll freaking close the bitch back up. Freaking go. I guess we don't have to lock it because it's in the house anyway. And I freaking yeah, I brought some freaking I don't know if you tubes can see it all that good. Some teeth pickups. For headers and stuff. Like, swathers and shit like that. Or not swathers, but a little like freaking pickup headers on round balers and square balers and shit like that. That picks up the hay. Frick yeah, you use those. And I just freaking grabbed that. They're freaking rope pulley system thing to do. And just a freaking washer thing or whatever. That's most important stuff I guess I thought I could bring. And then there's a freaking rope over there. Some minor tools over here. I think this is a freaking this might be an ice pick. For sure it's freaking heavy as hell. And you got a point over here. Excuse me. It's got a thing on there, so I don't know if you can use it as kind of like a pull bar too or what. And then we got a crowbar. And then there's a freaking clamp thing over down there on the floor. And then this, I guess it's supposed to be some kind of a freaking I guess freaking auger, like the freaking thing, it goes into the ground, and you just freaking do it by hand. Or you can just put like a freaking big, or you can take that big bar like and just stick it in there, I suppose. That's probably how you would do it. And this freaking cable here, which is all freaking snapped, of course, or you can still use most of it. So freaking, yeah, that's freaking, I guess it for now. I don't know what else I'll take. That might be it for right now. Getting kind of windy out, so I don't really want to be in that garage too much more. So might freaking fall on me or something. So we grabbed the most important stuff. Most of the stuff's freaking antiques, Well, I don't know if they're really antiques, but maybe this stuff isn't. But I don't know. It's getting a little rusty, of course, and stuff here, and stuff in there, and stuff there, and stuff there. Oh yeah, and I brought this in too. But let's see here. It's another hook-like thing. I figured I would just take it anyway. I might need it for something someday. And this thing here, won't get freaking rained on or nothing. It's a little bent out of shape though, I just noticed that. Oh well, it's alright. Still pulls. But that freaking, yeah, that's freaking it for today, tubes. I'm gonna freaking go in, or go home now. Son of a bitch. So freaking, yeah, there you go. So I guess I'll freaking, see you guys later, so take it easy.